I'll now show you how to set the sat nav. So from any screen, into nav, click destination, options, go that. That's a terrible thing, let's see. No home address stored, so that button there's home. New destination, address, special destinations, map and GPS, home address, last destinations, favourites. So we'll go for address. I want to be seeing postcode here, town and postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, and it is PR. We need to go to numbers now, so in order to select numbers, just click there. And my big fat fingers accidentally click radio as well. So we'll go back to nav. So we click this button here, 0 to 9. So it's PR5, 4, it's defaulted back to letters J, S. That's us. Click OK. Start route guidance. Calculating the route.
The route is being calculated. Please turn right onto Chorley Road. Now turn right.
That's it.